What's the meaning of cleaner? Cleaner. Cleaner.
Cleaner. Cleaner. The term cleaner generally refers to a product or device used for removing dirt, dust, stains, or other unwanted substances from surfaces. The result of using a cleaner is typically a cleaner and more hygienic surface, free from visible dirt or grime and potentially harmful bacteria. Cleaners come in many forms, including sprays, liquids, powders, and wipes, and are often tailored for specific surfaces or uses, such as glass, floors, or kitchen fixtures. Some cleaners may also leave behind a pleasant scent or shine, further enhancing the appearance and cleanliness of the surface.